Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the prerequisites. Your iPhone has iOS 14. 5 or later, Bluetooth and location are on, and Find My is enabled. Once done, pull the AirTag tab so the battery connects. This wakes the device. Bring the AirTag within 1 to 2 inches of your iPhone and open the Find My app on the Items tab. The phone will detect the AirTag automatically and display a pairing card. Tap Connect to start and follow the on-screen prompts to name the item, and you'll now configure the AirTag so it works reliably. First, pick a descriptive name and item type. That helps you identify it quickly in Find My and triggers correct notifications. Next, attach the AirTag securely. Use a loop, keyring, or adhesive depending on the object, and place it where GPS and Bluetooth signals won't be blocked. Test by playing a sound from the Find My app and walking around your room to confirm range. If you want alerts when it's away, make sure notifications and separation alerts are enabled. Finish by running final checks so the AirTag stays useful. You can view battery status in Find My. If it's low, twist open the stainless case and replace the CR2032 battery. This is quick and inexpensive. If you have an iPhone with a U1 chip, use precision finding for directional guidance. Make sure lost mode is set up with contact info so someone can return it. If pairing or location problems occur, toggle Bluetooth and location off and on, restart your iPhone, then re-attempt the connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.